If you have zero debt right now, you are actively losing the game. In fact, if you listen closely to the traditional advice of saving your money and paying off your loans, you are walking blindly into a trap. In the next minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact blueprint that top 1% use to weaponize their liabilities. And if you stay until the end, I will give you the exact mathematical formula to flip your debt into an unstoppable wealth engine. Every time you make an early payment on your mortgage or credit card, a bank executive smiles. You think you're buying freedom. You're actually handing them the chains. Today, I'm going to expose the most closely guarded financial secret of the last century. You will never look at a negative bank balance the same way again. Your savings account is bleeding to death, and the people running the economy are the ones holding the knife. While you are terrified of going into debt, institutional players are taking out billions in loans to buy up everything around you. I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. I'll show you how to copy their exact strategy before you're priced out of reality forever.
The school system lied to you. The financial gurus you watch on the internet, they are lying to you. You've been told your entire life that debt is a disease, a burden, a chain around your neck. You've been told the ultimate goal is to be debt-free. But what if I told you that being debt-free is a trap, a cage designed specifically for the middle class? In the next 10 minutes, I am going to expose the liability paradox. I'm going to show you how the people at the very top of the financial food chain do not fear debt, they weaponize it. And if you stay with me until the very end, I will give you the exact framework to take what you currently fear as a burden and turn it into the ultimate hedge against a system designed to keep you broke. To understand the weapon, you first have to understand the war. Look at your bank account. You think that number means safety, but you are ignoring the invisible thief in the room, inflation. But forget the definition you learned in economics class. Inflation is not prices going up. Inflation is your money dying. Every single second you hold cash, it rots. The institutions know this. The central banks know this. They are printing paper at a rate that mathematically guarantees the destruction of the middle class. But here is the secret no one tells you. The secret that changes everything. If inflation destroys the value of money, it also destroys the value of debt. Let that sink in. If you borrow $100,000 today at a fixed interest rate and inflation runs at 10%, the real value of what you owe is shrinking every single year. You are paying back the bank with money that is worth less than the money you borrowed. The bank is losing. You are winning. But only if you know where to put that money, which brings us to the most dangerous concept in modern finance.
Most people play defense with their money. They get a paycheck, they pay their bills, they put a little away, and they try to pay off their mortgage early to feel safe. The 1% do not play defense. They play a game called arbitrage. Arbitrage is the exploitation of a difference in prices or rates. It's finding a gap in the matrix. Let's look at the math. It's brutal and it's beautiful. Imagine you borrow money at a fixed rate of 5%, but real inflation, the actual cost of goods, housing, and food, is rising at 8%. And the asset you buy with that borrowed money, let's say a cash-flowing property or a solid business acquisition, is appreciating at 10%. Do you see what just happened? You are using a depreciating currency to fund an appreciating asset, and the gap between the two, that is pure, untaxed, systematic wealth creation. You aren't working for that money. The flaw in the monetary system is working for you. But wait, if it's this simple, why doesn't everyone do it? Because of fear. You have been programmed to feel physical anxiety when you owe money. Society has successfully merged your self-worth with your credit score and your debt-to-income ratio. They have convinced you that leveraging capital is reckless. Why?
Step 3. The inflation hedge. Every year, your debt gets cheaper to service while your asset pays you more. You are catching the system in a mathematical chokehold. This is the reality of the world you live in today. The middle class is being quietly eradicated, and the weapon being used against them is the very currency in their pockets. You can continue to play by the old rules. You can save your pennies. You can celebrate paying off your mortgage right before the value of your currency collapses to zero. You can pat yourself on the back for being a responsible citizen. Or you can wake up. You can stop playing defense against a system that is rigged to bleed you dry. Debt is not a burden. Debt is a tool, and in the right hands, it is a weapon of mass financial construction. The gap between the rich and the poor is no longer about who works harder. It is about who understands the nature of money. The question isn't whether the system will crash. The question is, whose side of the balance sheet will you be on when it does?